How to fix iPhone emails not working after iOS 18 update, iPhone not getting emails, solved. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue if your iPhone is not receiving emails after the iOS 18 update. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Find and select the Mail app. Tap on Mail account at the top. Make sure your Gmail account is added, and tap on it. Check if Mail is enabled. If it's already on, turn it off for 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it back on. Now go back and tap on Fetch New Data. Ensure that Push is enabled so emails sync properly. After that, go back to your home screen and check if the issue is resolved. If you're still not receiving emails, open the App Store. Search for Mail. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. Your email should start working again, and you'll receive messages in the Mail app. That's all for the video. If this helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.